So today I'm actually going to reveal 3 products that made over $1 million. So I'm going to talk about how they made over $1 million, why it was that they were actually winning products, like what separated them from all the other products that flop, and my actual strategy when it comes to finding winning products. So let's get straight into it. Yo, what's up guys, Sebas Bedoya here, back with a new video, and today we're going to be talking about my exact strategy when it comes to finding winning products to do dropshipping with. So, into this video, we're actually going to dive into, my computer. We're going to go on AliExpress and we're going to I'm going to show you products that would work, products that wouldn't work, why they would work, why they wouldn't, and all that information that you guys like to hear. This week is actually going to be pretty crazy content-wise. I'm going to be uploading every single day. I've been getting a lot of DMs from you guys, showing me results and everything, showing me that you guys have been killing it, and that's awesome because, it's pretty dope to see how the year just started, and some of you are actually sticking to your New Year's resolutions. So dope for that, congrats for those of you that are killing it. So, yeah. That's it for updates, I guess. Let's jump straight into the video. Before we jump into the video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below any suggestions or things you would want to know, and subscribe to the channel, of course, so show some love. I really appreciate that. So, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and let's jump straight into my computer. Let's get this money. So, what do I look for when I'm looking for a winning product? Usually, it's always something that there's a good amount of people that can use it, because obviously, if you want to do niche, it's very good. It becomes easier when you're targeting on Facebook and everything, but you don't want to do something that only 10 people in the world would be interested. Like, if those 10 people in the world saw it, they're so diehard fans that they will buy it. So that's great, because that's 10 guaranteed sales, but you know how hard it would be to put it in front of those 10 people. So you definitely want something that has a relatively big audience. Doesn't have to be the whole world. It could be specific, which is what niche means basically. But you do want to have, room for actually, testing and a good amount of people. So, we're going to go into a product that actually did very good. I made money with, and I know a lot of people made money with. You guys probably saw this back when it was all over Instagram and everything. This product, why was it so good? What made this such a good winning product? I know people that made millions of dollars with this product. There was a very famous dropshipper, the Tan brothers, I believe, and they were making about over $60,000 a day. I heard it was like $120,000 a day, but I'm not. It seems like a lot, so I'm just gonna say over 60,000. Is it possible to do 120K? I've seen people do 60K. Like, I literally seen their phone with 60K. So I'm sure if, you could definitely do 120K. But what made this such a good product? First of all, both guys and girls could use it, right? So that already opens up the market. It's not something too specific. It is relatively specific, but not even. It's very general if you think about it. But why was it so good for targeting wise? If it's something so general, like when you have an iPhone or something, why is it so, like an iPhone case, my bad. It's hard to target it because you're not going to go on Facebook. You're not going to put interest iPhone owners, because that's literally a lot of people that use Facebook, or interest Android users. That's not going to work because it's too general. You just have to assume that the people that are on Facebook are already using an iPhone or an Android. So what made this so good again? The fact that you could target, travelers, the fact that you could target, backpackers, the fact that you could travel, people that have interest in, specifically traveling, or maybe students that, people, there's so many uses for this backpack. Let's see if there's a description. That it's look right here. Daily use, casual, travel, business. So what makes this, travel, that it's super versatility, it's very comfortable, has different to store your laptop, has this padding right here to make it comfortable. So the point I'm trying to get at, I'm not trying to sell this to you right now. It has a charger, so if you want to charge your phone, so credit card. So I'm not trying to sell this to you right now, obviously, but I'm trying to point out to you why it's such a good product, because there's variety, there's usability, So it makes it very, 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 very good to sell. I think the main reason why it was actually so successful is, let me show you guys the actual ad that was being used. I mean, this was viral, so okay. 547. Nah, but that's like an affiliate. Let's look for like a short ad. Probably this 2-minute one. This one. Look at the ad that was used. They're clearly pointing out that, it's like anti-theft and everything. I saw this ad both on Facebook and Instagram. So right there, they're showing that it's waterproof. So like the fact that they're like appealing to so many different audiences, like, parents for kids, like, oh, this will be perfect for my kid at school or something. All those pockets. There's like a secret pocket for your laptop, the padding and everything. So we're gonna go over like, different products that have been complete killers and why they're actually like, very ridiculously good when it comes to selling. So you guys get the point with that. So anti-theft backpack made millions of dollars with dropship. Not me, but people in general. So this one has 66 orders, but I'm pretty sure. Look, 9,549. Let's do the math. I saw people are selling this for $49. So $49.99 times 9,549. That's $477,000. Half of that, which would be profit for the people that were drop shipping that, of course. There's another one with 3,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So there's a lot of suppliers, a lot of orders. There's definitely over $2 million in here just from revenue. So yeah, let's move on to a different item that was actually another killer. So now we have another one that you guys probably have seen. If you follow Alex Becker and everything, you've seen his ads with the little mini swing machine. So this one has 7,000 orders, ridiculous. 5,000, 2,000. So let's go into the one that Alex Becker talked about, which I'm pretty sure was that one. So why is this so good? This was definitely a Facebook ads product, not Instagram, because if you think about it, Instagram's audience is 13 to 24-year-olds, the people that are into sewing and everything. Of course, there's people that are young, but most of them, the white majority, are probably in their 30s, 40s, 50s. And you can target them very easily on Facebook with interests such as, sewing and everything like that. So why was this such a good product? Here we go again with the same thing as the backpack. If you could tell, like, if you could start making connections, it starts to make sense. They're both something that fix a problem. It's not something like, I see a lot of people trying to sell like some products that have sold and everything, like the lion bracelets, for example. They sold at some point, they had potential and everything, but they're not the product that's gonna get you over $10,000 a day, $20,000 a day, $100,000 a month. Like, it's very hard. I don't even think it's possible to achieve that through those products. But these products have a need, like they fulfill a need. And what makes them so special, it's the fact that they're literally solving a problem. So, it's a portable sewing machine. I don't know much about this, so I can't tell you all the specs and everything, but I could definitely tell you why it's so good. So, first of all, if you go on Facebook, targeting becomes very simple if you're doing it like this. If you're doing an ad, a video ad, you can run an engagement ad to it. Get a bunch of like people commenting, like tagging people that are into this, getting it viral. And then once you you have it like popping and everything, you just transform it into conversions. And at that point, you're destined to make sales. Obviously, you need to have the right targeting, the right ad, the right video, for all this to work. But let's look at features. Craftspeople, right away, that's a Facebook target. That's a Facebook audience right there. So can be powered with a power adapter or battery, so it has versatility. And overall, it's a product that has a relatively good profit margin. You can sell it for $29, $30, charge $5 for shipping, and you're already making like $15 profit per every sale, which I like to make at least $10 per sale, so 15 is pretty good. Then we're gonna go to Walmart, and they're literally selling the same exact one. It's ridiculous. Like, it's literally the same one. So either the person that's like selling it here, it's literally getting a bunch of them manufactured from Alibaba, and they're selling it for $32. Only 3 left. So $32. They're probably like wholesale. So they're probably paying $10-12 a unit, maybe less. So obviously profit margins is crazy. But you could see that, like, if someone went on Google and looked for $32, and then there's an ad on Facebook that shows that it's $29, it's still a pretty good price. I mean, that's what the market average is right here. You see it's $32, so you'll be selling it at a pretty good price. And here's another product that I know completely killed it. I'm pretty sure the original supplier of it deleted the post or something, because I had seen one with like over 5,000 orders. But like, I'm looking for the product right now in specific. So why did this product kill it? I saw this on both Instagram and Facebook. Saw it more on Instagram though. It was a video ad. I saw it on a story, like a story ad. Why did it kill it? Because people love their dogs. It's literally fulfilling a need. When people walk their dogs, the dog probably gets thirsty and everything. I don't have a dog, so I can't relate. But the dog gets thirsty, you do a cute little video appealing to people's emotion. That's when psychology kicks in. If you do a cute little video of a dog like that, just drinking water, you add some nice music in the background, you do like actually psychology into the video, which I believe that'd be called like pathos. Yeah, so it's called pathos, which is like when you appeal to the emotions of the audience, and like you bring out their feelings and all that. So if you do that, people are gonna be like, shit, it's only $4, you're selling it for $12, let's say $14 with shipping. So it's not that expensive. It's a one-time investment. People are gonna be like, oh my god, it's super cute, I totally need that for my dog. So why are these things working? Because they're fulfilling a need. People have to go to school. They want their things to be safe, fulfilling a need. People want a sewing machine, but they don't want to have like a huge one. They just want to have a little portable one that they can actually, get their work done with and everything. Super easy, fulfilling a need. People want to walk their dogs, and they want to like, give them water, but they don't want to like, have to carry a little like thing around and like, worry about filling it and everything. They could just have a little water bottle where they literally put it down and their dog can drink, fulfilling a need. So that's every time that I'm doing a product, every single time I'm doing a product that's fulfilling a need. Sometimes I might do, let's say I'm doing a hat or something. Is that fulfilling a need? Not necessarily. But if you think about it, if you do it the right way, you can literally make the customer feel like they need it to go to a party or something and look good, look like, attractive, or whatever it is that when you buy clothes, it makes you feel. If you do it the right way, if you put the right copy in the caption, you literally make people feel like they need it. So at the end of the day, finding a winning product just literally comes down to using a product that fulfills a specific need that people are looking for. It has a good price. People are not gonna be like, oh hell nah, it's too expensive. But if your product isn't fulfilling a need, it's very hard for it to actually work out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the content. I appreciate the support. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions for videos. What guys want me to do is specific things that you might be struggling with or something. Because if you're struggling with it, chances are a lot of people are too. So just let me know, comment it down below. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment, and a lot of crazy content coming this way. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video, and peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Ask your girl, she'll tell you that I'm back in that pussy like I never left. I'ma take all your money till ain't none left. I ain't never took a L and I never will.